16 workers at a demolition site in Tokyo showed symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning on March 27th.
現場となったビルの前には多くの消防隊員の姿があります。中にはボンベを背負った隊員の姿もあり、辺りは騒然としています。送風機のようなもので換気作業が行われているようです。
The incident occurred in Chiyoda Ward shortly before 4 p.m.
作業員が一酸化炭素中毒のようだ。
The demolition site is about an 8-minute walk from JR Ochanomizu Station. Meiji University's campus is located near the building. According to Tokyo police, the 16 workers showing symptoms were taken to hospital. One of them, a man in his 40s, was temporarily in cardiopulmonary arrest, but later regained consciousness. The workers were removing asbestos from the 4th floor of the building when they fell ill. 2 power generators were in operation on the 3rd floor, and the workers on the floor above were in closed space. The Metropolitan Police Department and the Tokyo Fire Department are investigating the situation.